Namaskar. When it comes to your skin care routine, sometimes nature provides most effective solution. Just cleansing and nourishing can make your skin really healthy and glowing. So, today I am going to tell you about secret oil blend that you can include in your skin care routine. To make this oil blend, take 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon almond oil, and a few drops of rosehip oil. To blend these oil together, roll them in a dark colored glass bottle. Each oil in this blend has special property to improve the appearance of the skin. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which is antimicrobial. It can also moisturize your skin without clogging the pores. This makes it suitable for various skin types. Sesame oil or til oil has antioxidants such as sesmol or sesame oil, which help to overcome any free radical damage. This oil also has fatty acids that can deeply moisturize your skin. Almond oil has vitamin E, which is very good for your skin. It gently nourishes and softens your skin to keep it smooth and radiant. Rosehip oil has abundant of vitamin A and C and even essential fatty acids. All of these allow your skin to regenerate and even repair your skin. And now let us see how to apply this oil blend. Start with a clean face. Make sure entire makeup, dirt and impurities are removed. Take a small amount of blend and gently pat it on your face with the help of your fingertips. Allow the oils to get absorbed in your skin fully. Leave the blend on your face overnight for the best result. You may even apply this blend twice daily. This will keep your skin hydrated, nourished and glowing. But remember one thing always. Before including any new product in your daily skin routine, perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to make sure that you have no allergy or sensitivity to any of these ingredients used. This oil blend is good for all skin types. Each oil is selected based on its unique properties. With regular use, you may realize that achieving radiant skin is very simple. But understand, only external application may not be enough. In addition to applying oil and other topical treatment to maintain skin health, it's important to ensure that you are drinking sufficient water and having a well-balanced diet. Having exposure to moderate sunlight along with proper rest and regular exercise also plays a big role in the health of your skin. So, dedicate some time to take care of your body to get radiant skin and good health for the years to come. Namaskar.